This was an open playlist. It's hashtag refurbish love with Living Life with Lon and Buffy Designs. Living Life with Lon loves to create DIY projects, thrift flips, chalk couture, and so much more. Buffy Designs does a lot of thrifting, DIYs, and baking along with other great crafting. Check out their amazing channels to see what they're making. Because this collaboration was Refurbish Love, I went to my local Goodwill and I found a canvas with the words "Go Your Own Way," and the arrows, some were pointing to the left and some were pointing to the right. So I thought of a unique way that I could repurpose this 99-cent canvas frame. So I started using Gesso to cover the words and arrows, but it needed more. After covering the canvas with gesso, I painted it with white chalk paint. And then I Scotch taped a metal heart to the inside of the canvas. I just poured the red mixture of paint in each corner, and then I followed it by white paint, yellow paint, more red, and then ending with white. Now it was time to turn the canvas to the left and to the right. I moved it up, I moved it down, I shake, rattled, and rolled the paint to spread and cover and mix the paint on the canvas. Meanwhile, I had to add a little paint here and a little paint there to give it an awesome Valentine appearance. But I allowed it to dry overnight, and then in the morning I removed the heart and it looked simply fantastic. Now I will try this again with some other shapes. My next refurbished look was an old wooden frame with a tired old heart in the middle. So this one is a very easy project too. I painted the wooden frame with white chalk paint all over, front and back. And then I applied Mod Podge to just the front to give it kind of a glossy look. I painted the heart pink, and the heart was made out of plaster and it had kind of tubular beads all over it. So I painted it with pink chalk paint, and then I put the Mod Podge over it, and then I sprinkled white glitter all over the heart. After that, it was time to thread the wire. Now in the frame, it has 2 holes at the top. So I thought it would be really cool to thread the wire from the front to the back, and then you just wind it around to make sure that it stays inside in the frame so it doesn't fall out. And I put on the small pale pink round beads and some small heart beads. Now when you put the beads on, you have to twist the wire so that the beads will stay in the place that you put them. The project was an easy fix, but you can paint the frame any color, you can paint the heart any color, and this is a very soft, serene look for a Valentine hanger on the door or the wall. Now, the last refurbished DIY item I found while perusing through my local Goodwill. The more I looked at them, the more they looked like wheels, but I thought they would also make nice candle holders. So I used E6000 to glue them together and sprayed them with gold paint. I put the candles inside, and what a transformation wheels can make. I added the word love on each one, put it on your table for Valentine's Day. So let me know which one you will make and tag me when you do. If you have liked what you've seen, please like, comment, save, and help a girl out, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate everyone that watch my videos and comment. Are you feeling down? Well, do something kind for someone today, because it will make you feel better, because kindness releases feel-good hormones. Try it and see. Until next time, bye-bye.